Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this handy double envelope that can be inserted into your junk journals and used to hold clip art, papers and other types of ephemera. And I'll also be showing you how you can make it in different sizes. The double envelope is easy to make using this junk journal template set. The template set includes two different types of edges, one with a vintage style border and one with lined edges. And the templates can be used with all sorts of different types of printed or digital papers to create envelopes that coordinate with your junk journals. The templates are available in my online store, where you can find a whole range of other templates that you can use to create your own unique junk journal printables in no time at all. You can find a link in the description below. The templates come in two formats. The PDF format is easy to print and can be used with your own printed papers or scrapbook papers. Or you can use the transparent PNG format templates in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements and Photop, and they can also be used in Canva. Using the PNG format gives you more creative options for designing using digital papers and other template overlays. To print using your own paper, open the PDF template file and select the page you want to print. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printed paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. Although the PDF templates are quick and easy to use, you have more options for creating unique designs when using the transparent PNG format files. To get started designing using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or Photop, which is free to use. Then add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. You can move the paper using the menu commands for Select, Copy and Paste. Or you can simply drag it out of the frame and onto the template document. You can rotate, resize and move the paper around, and even use multiple papers to align within the individual elements on the template. Once you've finished designing, save the file and print it out. You can print directly from your software program or save the file in JPEG format for printing at a later time. As well as designing in programs like Photoshop, you can also use the PNG format templates in Canva. Log into your Canva account and create a new custom document size 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches high. Upload the PNG format templates and the digital background papers. To upload, you can use the Upload Files button and select the files from your desktop, or drag the files out of the folder and drop them onto the Canva editor. To start designing, click on the thumbnails that you want to use and the file is automatically inserted onto the document. Then resize to fit. If you need to rearrange the layers or resize the papers, click the Position button, then the Layers tab. You can then move the layers by dragging them into position. Make sure that the template is on the top layer. To resize and move a paper, click on the layer and then you can easily move it around and resize it. To design additional templates, click on the Add Page button to create another page, and then add the template and papers. Once the design is completed, you can save it to your desktop. Click the Share button and then Download. Select File Type PDF Print and make sure to check Flatten PDF. Then click the Download button. You can create different size envelopes in several different ways. If you designed in Photoshop or a similar photo editing program, you can resize the document to make it smaller. On the main menu, select Image, Resize, Image. Then change the percentage setting, or for more precise sizing, change the width and/or height setting. Then print and save. If your document is in PDF format, for printing a full-size document, make sure the page scaling option in the Print dialog box is set to none. To print a smaller size, select the option Tile Large Pages or Tile All Pages. Then you'll see the option to set a percentage print size. This option might look different depending on the type of software that you're using. To assemble the envelope, first print out the pages onto good quality cardstock, then cut out the pieces. This is full size. This one is printed at 90%. And this one is printed at 80%. Crease and fold the side tabs, the top tabs, and the center folds on the front and back sections. Apply glue or double-sided tape along the tabs. Attach the front section to the back section, one side at a time. Using an eyelet setter, punch a small hole in the centre of each of the flaps and attach an eyelet. To make the buttons, glue together 3 circles which will make one thick button. There are enough pieces to make 2 buttons. Punch a hole in the centre of each button using a bookbinding awl or some sort of tool with a sharp point. Attach the buttons to the front of the envelope just below each of the flaps using a brad fastener. Loop a short piece of cording through each of the holes in the flap and wrap it around the button. Once the envelope is completed, insert it into your junk journal. You can sew it in if you're making a journal with sewn signatures, or slip it under the cord of a no-sew journal.